Hello and welcome to VR Sketch. In this tutorial we're going to go through how to pan, rotate and zoom. To do this we're going to be using the side buttons on the controllers. We're going to first start off by talking about just panning, for which we only need one hand. Okay, to pan all you have to do is squeeze the side grips and move your hand and you'll see how the model moves with you. You can now scale with one hand as well by squeezing the side grips and then sliding your thumb up and down the touchpad. Then with two hands, if you squeeze both grips at the same time, you'll see we'll get the scale line coming up here. And if you move your hands apart, you zoom in. If you move your hands together, you will zoom out. This will automatically snap to certain scales, like 1 to 2 or 1 to 1 and so on. Then with that same control, squeezing both side buttons, you can rotate at the same time. So with those three commands, pan, rotate and zoom, you can get to any part of the model at any scale you wish to work at. Thank you very much for watching.